What I do is help you write stories. You, a unique person with aspirations, interests, and ideas. Think of those nights where you're laying in bed, staring up at the ceiling and thinking about the amazing things to come. Maybe you're going on vacation, or maybe you're starting a new job, or you stumbled across a new opportunity. However, you, a unique person with struggles and frustrations, challenges and doubt. Think of those nights where you're laying in bed, tossing and turning, fearing what's to come. Maybe you're exhausted, or you've lost your job, or you're stuck in the proverbial rut. These ebbs and flows of life create your story. And it's my mission to help you make your story a good one, whatever it looks like. So yes, what I do at face value is decode financial babble to help you understand and strategize and manage your own money. However, I don't do this to help you get rich. What I do is help you learn about your finances so you can afford the time, the life, the experiences that will help you live the life that you want and will give you more and more stories to share in the future. What good is a lofty bank account if you can't or don't live? What I do is help you not be the person who has to work day in and day out and be stressed and exhausted, who's up to their eyeballs in debt, and who loses money wherever they put it, which all results in more sleepless nights where you're tossing and turning concerned for the future. And when all is said and done, all you have to say for yourself is, well, I made it. What I do is help you be the person who's in control of their life and has options, who masters their finances and maximizes their life by not making stupid mistakes that cost them opportunities and experiences. Through understanding your finances, I want to help you make an impact on the world and have more nights where you're staring at the roof, excited for what's to come. And when all is said and done, I want you to be able to write a novel about your life. So what I want is to challenge you to take the next step in writing your story. At this point, you have two paths you can choose. You can take the solo path to understanding your finances, which can take months or even years of costly mistakes and learning and reading to really comprehend, or you can get some help. And I want to offer that help through either a phone call or a Skype chat. I'm not asking for any money or anything like that, but just the opportunity to have a 30-minute conversation with you. We can talk about your goals or finances or whatever it is that will help you write more of your story. So I set up a link to a calendar below with several times over the next while that we can arrange a 30-minute chat over Skype or a phone. And even if this opportunity isn't for you, maybe share this with someone who could really benefit from having a chat like this. So I want to thank you for hearing me out and hopefully for setting up a meeting with me, because I'd love to chat with you. I appreciate you. I appreciate all the support you've given me, and I hope we can talk soon. Have a good one. Bye.